Every now and again I come across a product that's so bad it's comical. This is one of those products. This is a single speed pull chain switch for like a ceiling fan light kit or the things of that nature. It's a very simple product. I only paid about $3 for these, so I didn't have high expectations. I figured they're probably not very well made, perhaps they're noisy, perhaps they won't last very long. But I did expect them to at least work a little bit. That was too high of an expectation because they don't work, and they have absolutely no chance at ever working because of this piece. So, all is well with the switch itself. It probably works just fine. But when you actually put it into place, you have to use this piece to secure it. And this piece, I could tell as soon as I took this out of the bag that it wasn't going to work. Because you can see here, this has a sharp, flat edge to it inside the hole there where the chain passes through. And so there's absolutely no conceivable way this will ever work, because when you go to pull the chain, it gets hung up on that piece. So if I go to screw this in here, and you see here it pulls just fine. If I screw this in, it just doesn't work. And it's because the chain is getting caught on blur. It's because the chain is getting caught on this piece. That's absolutely baffling to me. So if you want to see what one is supposed to look like, one that actually works, a vintage one for instance, you can see how it's not a flat, sharp, it's not a sharp flat piece, it's like rounded. So this one, it works perfectly fine. So this is unbelievable. I honestly don't understand how a product like this even leaves the design stage. Absolutely incredible.